Hello friends, my name is Sachin and today I am going to show you how to enable SQL authentication in Microsoft SQL Server 2019. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let me show you how you can do this. Currently I am logged in as a Windows authentication user. Let me show you. Okay, disconnect and click on connect. Here you can see Windows authentication and SQL Server authentication. So let's click back on Windows authentication and click on connect. And now I'm going to enable the SQL authentication. Right click on the SQL Server and go to properties. The properties dialog box will appear. Click on security. Currently you can see the Windows authentication is selected. Click on the second option for SQL Server and Windows Authentication mode. This is also known as a mixed mode authentication. Now let's click on OK. This will be requiring us to restart the SQL Server. We will do that later. Go back to the security. Expand the logins. From here you can create a new user if you want. I am going to enable the default user account, which is an SA. Go to properties. For ease of use, I am going to uncheck the enforce password policy, but it is not recommended for production environment. Now click on roles. Over here you can see all the roles which is given to this user. And on the status, currently it is disabled. I'm going to click on enable login and then I'm going to change the password. Enter the password of your choice. Now click OK. Let's try to log in with SQL authentication. I'm going to get an error because I have not restarted the SQL Server. Okay, let me type the username, that is SA, and the password. Alright, as you can see, click OK. And now I'm going to restart the SQL Server. Right click on the computer name and click on restart. Click yes. Once it is restarted, again disconnect and try to connect back from the SQL authentication. This time it will going to work. Alright, as you can see, I'm connected using the SQL authentication user. Well, it completes our this video tutorial. Don't forget to watch our next video, which will be very informative for you. My name is Sachin and you are watching this video on YouTube channel Peter Kreis. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you later in next video. Okay, bye.